How to use the override function. In the Mill app, the override function is used to temporarily modify the weekly program. To use the override function, select the room you wish to override in the app. In the selected room, tap Override to view options.
To override the current program, choose one of the options from the menu. When you choose an option, you can then choose the time variation, continuous or countdown timer. Here is an example of an override set with a timer. The weekly program will continue once the timer runs out.
In this example, the override is set to continuous. It will remain active until you manually end it.
You can always change the active temperature. Changes will take effect immediately.